Riverside Plaza in 1929 because the river was our sewer for pretty much everything. And I think that really shows us a different idea today, where if you're a private building today, you have to have a river walk or plaza for everybody along the river. We can talk more about that one too later on. In the meantime, I actually should point out these rail lines to our right, underneath these buildings, because the railroad companies actually own the land. I think that's really interesting. They were here first. The buildings were built on top of the rail lines later on. So, the buildings pay about $2 million a year for the privilege of building above the railroads. Air rights will play an important role later on. Up and to the left is the tallest building in Chicago. Starts to draw attention because it's so tall. It's a really terrible view though, so we're not going to talk about it right now. Yeah, it's not a good view, right? So we're going to talk about it after we get turned around. In the meantime, we're going to stay to the right. The 60s, the 70s, and the 80s. I think it's a pretty cool